Welcome viewers to my YouTube. My name is Daniel and this is Dantech Digital. Alright, so in this video I want to take you on a tour on canva.com. Now what is canva.com? Canva.com it's a web design, basically a web design platform. It's a graphic design platform. Yes, but currently Canva now has a feature which happens to be amazing feature that has to do with web designing. That means with Canva you can design a website. So but before I take you around Canva to just see a few things. Now I started using Canva in 2019 precisely, and this is 2023, and this is about let's say 4 years I've been using Canva, and I've done so many designs using Canva. I've tested so many things on Canva, so many pretty things on Canva. And initially I started my Canva journey with free, and with the help of my design and consistency I was able to get my premium version without a dime. Like, I don't pay a dime, so just because of consistency and good work. So and I want to show you something. Now, so many people have said, I've overheard discussions like Canva is not a good graphic design platform and the rest. Who says so? Like, who is giving that information? I want to let you know that the Canva you happen to know in 2018, 2019 is not the same Canva in 2023. Like, the Canva guys are really working day in and out, like trying to upgrade the software and make it so very robust. Currently, as I speak to you now, Canva is a very robust software in such that you can do so many things on Canva without leaving the platform. So when you come to Canva, you just type you want to go to Canva, you type canva.com. That's their website, and you can also download it. Come to this page, you can see download the app, and they also have a mobile application whereby for you that don't have a system, you could also use your phone. I was using phone. Even currently I'm still using phone sometimes, but if I want to do some kind of professional works and standard work, I use more of system because it gives me the flexibility to twist my job how I like. So this is my free Canva. I want to switch to my premium. I come here, you can see lifetime education. So this is now my Canva. So it's no more free now, it's no more personal, it's not lifetime. This is my Canva premium version. All right, so when you come to Canva, the first thing we like doing is for you to come to this search bar. You can see search your content or Canva. So just try to type anything at all you really want to do. Canva will give you a template. That's the beautiful part of Canva. Like, you don't have to stress yourself looking for, like, let's have to say for an example, you just start your graphic design journey. You don't have to start racking your brain trying to formulate something. They're giving you a kind of framework, a pre-made template. You just have to twist, and bam, you are there immediately to your desired design. So you come here, you type, you can just type Facebook, just type Facebook, let's say Facebook ad. And another thing is that it's giving you design pre-made template. It's also giving you dimensions. So these are beautiful templates you could just access. Let me do this with my free, so that for those of us who don't have premium, please, I started with premium and I've done a whole lot of things with premium. So for the fact you don't have premium doesn't mean you are limited that much, or so. It's just that there's still some things you can just do, but if you know how to go around it, you can still do so many things. So you can see those work I've done on Canva on free. So I could do this on Canva. I could do this on Canva for free with my free version. Let it load. So I could do that with my free version, and I could also do this was able to do that rather. This is the first one here. Let me increase the size. So I was able to do this, and I was paid for this job. It's not free. I was paid for this job. Like, this is very creative. Imagine I use Canva free version in doing this. I could also do this. I was able to do this also. This is a kind of now this design, I saw it somewhere, and there's something about me when I was learning graphic design early. Then when I see a design, I try to replicate that same design, maybe using Photoshop or something. I just come to Canva and see how I could just replicate that same thing, and I was able to achieve that same thing. So you can see here, this is just a Coca-Cola design here, and this is a lion, you could see here, and this is the guy steering. So I just have to get these images and place them accordingly. Now looking at these are birds. Now looking at where the bird are centered, where I centered it, it is looking like the birds are just flying on the sky or something. So here is a kind of moon that looks like the sky, something like that. So that's just how I came about this design. So you could see that creativity, it is not just about the software you use, but much about how creative you are. That's whether you're using Photoshop, you're using CorelDRAW, it is all about how creative. When you're giving Photoshop and CorelDRAW, what can you do with it? How is a different thing understanding how to use the tools, and it's another thing understanding being creative. Creativity is not something that is impartable. Nobody can impart creativity on you. You just have to keep building yourself. You try so many things, practice so many things, and that's just how to be creative. So that's just about that. So let me just leave here and come down to this place, back to here. So you can also see what docs, whiteboard, presentation, social media, videos, website. So I will still make kind of videos for all these things. So expect more videos on Canva. I'll be dropping more videos on Canva on how to do all these things, and I believe you are really prepared. And the beautiful thing is that some of the videos I'll be doing, I'll be showing you also how to use your free version on Canva to do them. So for those of us who don't have premium version, don't feel intimidated. I'm going to walk you through how to go about that. So, and lastly, before I leave, Canva has a kind of a package here for you guys. So magic coming, boom, this is it. Now, as of today, I'm doing this recording October 4th. Canva will be dropping a magic tool today. So, and I'm really expecting it. Like, I can't wait for the launching of that tool. So let's see how Canva has really done a lot. Like, over the years, they've improved their software, they've improved their platform, they keep improving. I can't just mention everything here Canva's done. Currently, Canva's partner with so many third parties, so apps, that when you come on Canva, you'll be able to access so many things. So when you're working on Canva platform, you can relate, you can twist your work from Canva to another platform. Like, you want to do mockup, look at mockups here. You don't have to export your product, and like when you're working on Photoshop, you just have to if you need a mockup, or probably you just have to like come out from there and go and do your mockup outside there. Then, but on Canva, it's not like that. You got so many apps, so many tools that have been embedded there, that you start and you finish your job on that same platform, and you export, off you go. So guys, and I hope you're expecting something big this time around, and I'll be doing more video on Canva. So thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe so you can and turn up the notification bell. Each time I drop a new video, you should also see it, and expect more things coming on Canva. See you in my next video. Bye.